How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a very nice 66 Pontiac GTO true 242 car. It had one repaint in its original Cameo Ivory. Super nice little car. Got all the original grills, the headlight bezels. Front bumper, I believe, is the original. All real good condition. Car's nice and straight down the sides. They did the Rally 2s on it. All the panel fitment looks real good on it. All the chrome around the back looks like it's been replaced. The rear bumper's been re-chromed. Just a very, very nice, clean GTO. This car was redone several years back, but still looks real good. The original motor has been replaced with a 69 400. It's got aluminum intake, an Edelbrock 4-barrel on it. It's got your power brakes, power steering. It's all detailed nice under the hood. Tell you, it's just a real good drive and riding car. It's got the fawn, kind of a fawn gold interior. Very, very nice looking. It's factory, it's way it came, column shift. The original 2-speed trans has also been upgraded to a 350 turbo trans. See, all the seat covers, door panels have been replaced in the car, carpet. It's a very nice little car, guys. It appears most all the panels are the originals. Trunk's nice and solid in it. Nice and clean. Got an old original spare. Trunk floor looks real good. Tell you, these GTOs, they just ride and drive so nice. It's got the front and rear seat belts. The headliner's real nice and tight. It's got a direct fit AM/FM stereo with the iPod connector and a remote. Original dash, all real nice shape. Fires right up. It's got stock exhaust manifolds with duals all the way out the back. Tell you, with the sun shining out, it's kind of hard to see the taillights. Sounds real good. Tell you, the car drives and rides very nice. check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. Have a great day, folks.